The merger between Tingo and MICT will create a highly profitable Nasdaq-listed fintech and agri-fintech company serving the African and Asian markets with a global expansion strategy. The merged technology stack of both Tingo and MICT is expected to create one of the world-leading fully integrated fintech platforms offering combined financial services, payment services, a comprehensive marketplace and an e-wallet. The combined cash balances of Tingo and MICT are expected to total more than $200 million. The merger of Tingo and MICT will result in the creation of an entity with a combined market capitalization of $2 billion. The merger will give shareholders of Tingo an equal share of new MICT common shares, and current MICT shareholders will own approximately 22.5% of the combined company. The transaction is expected to close by the end of the third quarter of 2022. Subject to the satisfaction of regulatory authorities, closing conditions, including approval by both companies' shareholders, and completion of due diligence by both companies.